Konnichiwa, I'm Paqupel, your guide to Japanese flavors. Today we're making Wafu pasta, spaghetti cooked in one pan with Kombu dashi, soy sauce, and butter in the Japanese home cooking style. Italian cuisine is one of the most beloved foreign foods in Japan. Pasta restaurants and Italian eateries can be found all across the country. Japan has developed its own unique style of pasta using Japanese ingredients and flavors, known as Wafu pasta. Popular examples include Napolitan, made with ketchup, and Tarraco pasta made with salted cod roe. The recipe we're sharing today features spaghetti cooked in kombu dashi and soy sauce, finished with butter. It's one of the most popular Wafu pasta combinations found on restaurant menus and home dinner tables alike. Alright, let's start cooking. Heat olive oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the bacon and cook until lightly browned. For the pan, use one that is 8 to 9.5 inches in diameter. A pan that is too small will cause uneven cooking, while one that is too large will cause the liquid to evaporate too quickly. Push it to the side, then add the mushrooms. Season with a pinch of salt and cook until softened and fragrant. Lightly browning the bacon and mushrooms adds a layer of savory depth to the finished dish. Be sure to cook the mushrooms thoroughly to drive off excess moisture. This intensifies their umami and keeps the dish from becoming watery. Next, add the water, sake, kombu dashi powder, sugar, and grated garlic. Bring to a boil. Break the spaghetti in half and add it to the pan. Choose a spaghetti with a smooth surface. In this recipe, the sauce thickens quickly and smooth pasta helps the dish come together more evenly. Cook over medium heat for the time indicated on the package, stirring occasionally to prevent the noodles from clumping or sticking to the bottom. Keep the heat at a steady medium. Too high and the liquid will evaporate before the pasta is cooked. Too low and the noodles may turn out sticky. If the liquid runs low before the pasta is done, add a small amount of water at a time to keep the noodles submerged. When a small amount of liquid remains, add the soy sauce and stir to combine. Then add the butter and toss until the sauce clings to every strand. Leave a little liquid in the pan. The goal is a sauce that coats the pasta, not a completely dry dish. And keep in mind that both bacon and soy sauce contain salt, so taste before adjusting the seasoning at the end. Garnish with white sesame seeds and chopped green onion if desired.
Itadakimasu!
See you again in our next video, and don't forget to subscribe for more Japanese recipes.